Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for the nigga so cheap. Being flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you, yeah, I'm looking violent. Fucking while you come around and now it's silent.
Tom's hungry. We're in Harlem, so we're gonna get some Spanish food. Might as well before we go on this bus. We're early, so. How you doing? Got coconuts.
Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Broadway and West 178th Street.
Oh, get up right here. No, get up. Oh, we got the next stop. Sometime on here. Let's get off the bus. The Usher, John and Luda had to do it again. Yeah. Hey, please tell your lovers and friends. The Usher, John and Luda had to do it again. They got Chipotle right here. Chipotle. We're gonna get some Spanish food. The restaurant over there that I went to before. Come on, Papa. Give me a hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. It's a movie. Where did that movie come from again? I forgot. Hold it back. Hold it back. You got it? It's stew chicken, rice, black beans, plantains. So we have black beans. I'm like, where the beans at? It's like mad gravy and no beans. Barely any beans in here. So, we just got off the van like 10 minutes ago, and it's raining. I don't have an umbrella. You see, it's 4:30 now. You see how it's getting dark already? This is in PA. This is not New York, by the way. We're going to Walmart, as always. I'm so tired. I was falling asleep on the van. I definitely took a nap. Took a whole hour. So sleepy. Papa. 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 Act like you don't hear me calling. Yo, I was just here. What's today? I was just here Friday, and this shit was 98 cents. Look now. Look, I think I took up like 4 of them. I was at 5 of them. But what is wrong with Walmart, though? I'm not up to this one. Stop playing with these. They're lucky I need these. I really do need this. Ice cream bars, Christmas tree thing. It's cute. Only $2. That's not bad. There's 3 in there. I got the the gingerbread one. Ooh, I should get that one. Coconut. This one melt by the time I go to New York. Birthday cake. This one. This one has coconuts. Oh boy, how much sugar in this? 15 grams. 6 in there. Look what I found. Now this is what I'm gonna make some Jerusalem chicken. I didn't even know it was in here, to be honest. We got Mongolian beef. We have beef and broccoli. I want to make something different. I want to switch it up and try something new. Yeah, I'm going to try this. Oh, yes, I'm going to do it. Oh, yeah. I'm here trying to decide if I should get this Aki. Well, not those, because they're dented. I don't want that. So it's only the Linstead one they have. Oh, look at the price. I'm gonna just go to my regular supermarket and get it, because I don't want to get it from here. Not for that price. Okay. I look, they got Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright. We're in for Uber because you see the list. Ooh, child. That's what me and Kamani. I gotta shop when I come out here. I have to. Brooklyn is expensive. Okay. This is what I bought from, well, this is what I bought from Walmart yesterday for myself. I got oats, syrup. I'm gonna try the cereal again. And I bought marshmallows. That's for a video. I don't know if I'm gonna do the video though, but I just bought it in case. It was $1. Got some chickpeas, pancake mix. I haven't had pancake mix. I haven't had pancakes in a while, so. And I got some Sazon. Yeah, I got it in the bottle because the one in the package finished too quick. And General Tso's chicken. I cannot wait to try this. Got some mackerel or 2, onion powder, sweet and sour sauce, some sausage chickpeas already, or black beans, and tuna. That's it. Not much. I'm washing my hair right now, by the way. I got this from Dollar Tree, y'all, and this right here, aloe vera, aka Sing the Bible. This is good for your hair, so yeah. But I also have another conditioner here. I'm also using this shampoo, so yeah. I have the avocado mask in my hair right now. I'm gonna wash it out because it's almost 3 o'clock And then I'm gonna do some juicing. I'm picking up an order. I ordered something from Walmart, and I was at work when they deliver it. So, I mean, no, I ordered something from Walmart, and I let them deliver it. They text me when the delivery was out, so I just let them drop it off at a closer location to my house. Cause, like I said, people be stealing packages, so I don't got time for that. And then it's been there since the 29th last year. So I'm gonna pick it up right now. I think it's Ozone Park. I'm literally off the block, but yeah. Walgreens. I'll pick up. Hi. I'm picking up an order, like a. Want to pick up something.
Prescription or something, or?
No, it's like a delivery, like FedEx dropped off.
Oh, okay. You gotta wait on the line, and you got the last four digits of the.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll give you a check. They'll give it to you.
Thank you.
AFID, right?
Yeah. Thank you. So I gotta wait on the line. Oh, look at the guy in Walgreens. Not cheesies. I didn't know they had this in here. I'm not about to eat those though. I'm coming in to buy anything. I'm gonna go on the line. It's the line. There's a guard over there. It's a TikTok jellies. What is this? Oh, these are I think got liquor in there. I'm not even sure. It doesn't even say. I never heard of these. They're like $8. Because there's liquor inside. It doesn't say. Okay, I don't know. They got Krispy Kreme in here. Krispy Kreme in here. My package. See, I didn't know what size bag to bring, but I'm going back home. No, I gotta go to the store. I need some bulgur.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. You need a bag? $5.40.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
I mean, I'm here buying some fries from Burger King. That's all I want. And I'm gonna go home and cook. Give me like the gas station thing. Yeah, they got a Burger King inside. So my fries with no salt. They got the act up there and the festival. What? $17 for what? Olivia? $17 for this. I want them. Them bright. No, better. Yo, them rich prices everywhere. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm still getting rich prices every freaking thing. Every freaking listen. I'm about to start being vegan. Me? I gotta start being vegan because who on them? Let's see if they raise the bread here. They raise the bread on them. Yo, this freaking bread gonna get me in trouble. No, we can't do this right now. I'm not gonna see price funny. What price there? I want to buy one, but I don't want to buy one. I'm not buy one. Discipline. I'm not buy one. Nope. So face. I'm a believer. I mean crackers. Crackers are coming up. Just don't really price you cocos because when I come, I just came from the doctor, got my lab results from my blood test I took like December 17th. I'm doing good, he said. He said whatever I'm doing to keep doing it because my cholesterol went all the way down. My sugar is 1 point down, 1 point up from normal. So I'm still pre-diabetic, so but I'm doing good, he says. So the sugar level is, I'm gonna tell you when I go outside because it's noisy as hell in here. I'm gonna get a cracker. I need a cracker. So ended up in that area in the supermarket. But I was saying, the doctor says that whatever I'm doing to make my blood sugar, my sugar or my cholesterol went down. My sugar and my cholesterol. I can't talk. My sugar and my cholesterol went down. So he said, whatever I'm doing is to keep doing it. Okay? And I told him what I was doing. I told him I joined the gym, and I told him I'm juicing. I juiced a lot. That's why. My cholesterol went all the way down. Okay? And plus, I cook with olive oil, so that's a plus. And I got the paperwork right here. Okay. So I was at 5.9 and I went down to 5.6. No, 5.7. So he said whatever I'm doing is to keep doing it, and he'll see me in 6 months. Yeah. See? Me, I could continue to drink my green juice. Okay. Alright. Oh yeah. You know me just going to the supermarket a while ago and we left me have no bag. So I just bought I'm got some telephone. Got some telephone in my car. I am editing a video right now and I want to go do laundry. I don't know what time it is. It's a little chilly. I don't know if I want to come back out here. But I do need to do laundry. So I don't know. Trying to figure out if I should go outside now or tomorrow. No one. So yeah. Not really hungry. I was gonna say I'm hungry, but I'm not. Okay, so the other day I went to the supermarket and I didn't have no bag, right? And I took one of these. And then I see that the lady charged me, and I'm like, why are you charging me for a produce bag? A bag that you put the stuff in, like fruits or whatever, right? She's like, oh, because it's a bag. I'm like, lady, they want to charge for every freaking thing nowadays. Like, seriously, you gonna charge me for a produce bag? You know what this number do a while ago? Go in there and take one, put them in pocket. Because you're not gonna charge me on produce bag. You're right. Yeah, what the hell? I mean, this was $179. Now I just paid $2.19 for this. Like, my first time being to the gym in 2023.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, the Chiefs get hungry. Niggas got them on my release day home. Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Why watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, my tape, it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
So I was productive today. I went to the gym. I went there for 2 hours. Then I went to the supermarket. Yeah, I got some bread. Listen, long time. It's been a while since I had all those bread. Okay, so I deserve this. I'm treating myself. Paper towel, chicken. So let's talk about these 4 chicken that I got for $4 though. I was wrong again. Ugh. And this one is $4.44. Okay, I got it from Key Food. I feel like I should treat myself. I'm tired of eating healthy. So I got some pork loin. This is what, iron? Is it iron? And then I got some thighs. Yeah, that's how the thighs look. There's 8 pieces in there. It's a lot. So yeah, I needed some meat. I ain't had no type of meat in my fridge. Alright, this is what I got from Dollar Tree. I got some pasta. I got 2 almond milk, unsweetened of course. And got some pasta sauce, a little snack, brown crackers, some shavers, and some new ones because I threw the other ones out. I forgot to buy them. But that's about it. I'm about to make me a tuna sandwich with this Aldo bread. I think I'll put tuna and chickpeas together. Yeah, or tuna avocado. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'm tired though. I gotta go outside because I need some blueberries to make my smoothie. I'm about to toast this bread. Today's Wednesday, January 11th. It's been so long. I need a smoothie. I gotta go to Dollar Tree to get my berries. So I'll feel better eating this damn bread. That's my sandwich. I toasted bread. And it's tuna with chickpea and avocado. And yeah, lettuce. So I called Kimani and Kimani listened to Bob Marley.